Staying home with my drinking buddy, Myrtle the Meerkat. She said we should have a Barbie later, so I got that at the ready, and I have the perfect wine to go with the Barbie, and that's the 2019 Sparkling Grenache from Renegade Urban Wineries. 10% of all the sales of this DIY riddling and disgorging wine go to hospitality action. Great cause. So I hear you say, what the bloody hell is riddling and disgorging? Well, it's basically processes that go into making quality sparkling wine and champagne. And essentially, it's all about maneuvering this bottle so that the sediment, which is processed from second fermentation, maneuvers into the neck of the bottle. And then disgorging is all about getting that stuff out. Quality, look at that stuff. A little bit lively. Oh, look at that stuff. This is like, I don't know, I've never seen it before, but vampire spit. Look at that, it is incredible. Warwick, that's delicious. Cheers, buddy. Love your work. Keep it up.